It's been a while since I am feeling lethargic. A constant feeling of anxiousness is running through me. I don't feel like waking up in the morning and talking to someone seems like a burden.
I feel you. You must be feeling a plethora of feelings that aren't explainable. Would you like to elaborate on this further?
Yes, I have tried so many things that my family and friends suggested me to feel better, but it feels like a never ending pain. I feel like my gut is pulling me in. I just can't stop thinking, and it's so exhausting. I'm always thirsty, but I can't drink or breathe. My heart is pounding heavily as I speak, remembering my anxious pain.
I hear you. It sounds like you're experiencing severe anxiety. It isn't easy to be anxiously anxious. If it's comfortable with you, could I suggest some measures that might bring you some relief after we explore some probable triggers behind your anxiety?
Oh, yes, please. Your voice is so calming. I think I'm already feeling a bit relaxed listening to your tone of assurance. Even I wish to learn why am I feeling so anxious all the time and how can I feel better. Please ask me questions so that I can be guided better.
I'm glad that you're feeling better. Now let's continue to explore. Choose mental and emotional wellness from the comfort of your home. Come, share your story with EduPsych's experts. Book your appointment today.